So welcome back to the next video of Primavera P6 1962 version. In this video, I will show you how to create an organizational breakdown structure in Primavera P6. So in order to create a organizational breakdown structure in Primavera, first of all we should know what is organizational breakdown structure. Organizational breakdown structure is used to assign responsibilities to each activity in the existing project. So there are two ways from which we can add organizational breakdown structure in Primavera. So first method is, you can see this sign over here. You can see when you will click over here, you will be seeing further options: projects, resources, reports, tracking, enterprise project structure, project portfolio, roles. There is OBS. When you will click this OBS, you will see the organizational breakdown structure is open. Here it is written as organizational breakdown structure. This is organizational breakdown structure name. These are responsibilities. So this one is the first method to open or create organizational breakdown structure. Now I will cut it. Now second method is to use the enterprise function. When you will click enterprise, you will see a lot of list of further toolbars. So here is OBS. I will click just OBS. When you will click OBS, this tab again as previous one will appear. But in order to create organizational breakdown structure in Primavera, first you will click enterprise, or you can add an element to the enterprise. So when you will click add option, you will see new organizational breakdown structure is created. First we will name it, like we will rename it just by clicking it, and we will name our like, as I am showing it as engineering services. The main title or the main enterprise or the company name as engineering services. Next is to create further portions or departments, you can say, or you can say further services sectors in this engineering services or consultancy or any company services. So these further departments will be linked with this engineering services or construction services. So in order to add, we will simply click this add option. You will see new organizational breakdown structure is computed. Like I want to create construction department, or these departments or sectors will be having their project activities which will be linked further. For example, I want to add another, like procurement. I want to add procurement services in this company project. Next I want to add another structure like human resources management. Next finance related department or sector in this construction firm. So I have created these four departments or four services sectors, subsectors in this engineering services enterprise. Now I want to link them in this engineering services. Simply we will click this option, then we will click this one. All these further sectors are being subdivided into the breakdown structure of this engineering services. Now you will see when you will click this one, you will see procurement, construction, and so on. Other sub departments are being linked with this engineering services. So engineering services is the main structure. These are the breakdown structure. So this is the simple example of organizational breakdown structure. Now we will see how these breakdown structure, other energy, manufacturing, these are the further by default sectors in any construction or any company. Like they are also in the form of breakdown structure having further divisions. Now if I will click this display option over here, you will see chart view, columns, table view, rows. First I will see uh, chart view of this breakdown structure. When you will click this breakdown structure, you will see enterprise is the main or is the one which is further divided into company, engineering, other further sectors. When you will see click this one, you will see its further breakdown structures. When you will click this one, you will see this one is divided into further parts. So in this, if you want to arrange them in the horizontal position, you will go to arrange children, click the horizontal. You will see all these elements will be in the horizontal. If you click vertical, you will see all these elements will be in the vertical position like this one. So this is the way to show, but by default we will show it horizontal. But now we will see zoom in and zoom out. If we zoom in, we can zoom in. If we want to zoom out, we can, but we will zoom to best fit. So that's the best fit to zoom in. Next one is Gantt chart box template. So if we want to customize like organizational breakdown structure name, we can increase the text height of this written text in the, we can increase or decrease the width of this text, then we can click OK. Now I will further zoom to best fit this one. Now I will show you how to change the background colors or the chart font colors. So the box color of organizational breakdown structure is yellow. I want to show it by red. So I will just select red, click OK, and this will change our color of organizational breakdown structure. Now I want to change the background color of this. By default it's white. I want to show it by green. So we will apply it first, then we will select OK. So in this way you can change the background color or box color of an organizational background structure. You can print, preview. So we will see its bottom bar where you can name your organizational breakdown structure. You can add description to the organizational breakdown structure. You can add description about company or any other project. So that's all from this video. In this video you have seen how to create a organizational breakdown structure in Primavera P6. In next video, we will see further features of this, or we will see how to create a project in Primavera P6. So that's all from this video, how to create an OBS or organizational breakdown structure, and how to change the text height or the colors. So this is a table view. You can change your views like chart view, horizontal alignment or the vertical alignment. That's all from this video.